In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy sailboats on Facebook Marketplace. Buying a sailboat can be quite the adventure, and Facebook Marketplace is a great resource for finding some hidden treasures. However, it's crucial to navigate the process carefully to ensure you get a fair deal. Let's dive in and explore each step thoroughly so you feel confident in making your purchase. First, let's discuss the importance of searching smartly. When you're on Facebook Marketplace, using the right keywords is essential. Think about the specifics of the sailboat you're interested in, like its size, condition, and even the location where you want to buy it. By narrowing down your search parameters, you can save time and focus on listings that truly meet your criteria. Once you've found some potential options, it's time to dive into the details of each listing. Carefully review the photographs and the seller's description. Pay attention to any signs of wear and tear and make note of the condition of the sails and other important components. Look out for any red flags in the description, such as vague wording or omitted information, which might require further inquiry. Researching the market value of similar sailboats can also offer invaluable insight. Check other listings on the marketplace and other sites to gauge the going rate for sailboats with similar features and models. This knowledge will empower you during negotiations and help you avoid overpaying. Reaching out to the seller is the next crucial step. Craft a polite and clear message expressing your interest. Ask any questions you have about the boat's history, maintenance records, and the reason for selling. Maintain a friendly tone, but also be precise to get the information you need. Arranging an in-person inspection is essential before sealing the deal. Examining the boat firsthand allows you to verify its condition and confirm that it matches the description. If you're not confident in assessing the sailboat's state, consider bringing along a knowledgeable friend or hiring a professional for assistance. Speaking of professionals, a marine survey can be a wise investment. A surveyor can provide a detailed report on the boat's condition, pinpointing any potential issues that might not be immediately visible. This additional step can offer peace of mind and potentially save you from costly repairs down the line. Negotiating the price is an aspect that calls for tact and research. Use the information gathered from market comparisons and inspections to make a fair offer. Aim for a win-win situation where both parties walk away satisfied with the transaction. Finally, once all terms are agreed upon, arrange for a safe payment and pickup. Be sure to use a secure method for transferring funds and have a clear plan for transportation. When everything is settled, finalize the deal and celebrate your new adventure on the water. With these steps, you're now equipped to buy a sailboat on Facebook Marketplace with confidence and ease. Enjoy your sailing journey.